I cannot believe it is time to talk about Ipsy October spoilers already. Man, this year is just flying by. Welcome back if you are a returning viewer, and if you are new, welcome. I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button if you enjoy this video and if you enjoy all things beauty. Every month I do get the Ipsy Glam and the Glam Bag Plus. They are gifted just for an honest review. Let's start with the Glam Bag, the base bag. So normally it has been running $12 a month. There is a price increase starting in October. It will now be $13 a month, and you do get 5 deluxe samples for that price. Customizations will open October 2nd and 3rd, and you will get to pick one thing from the 5. Okay, so what do we think of the bag design? I must confess I like the one from last year a little bit better. This one is okay. We do have a couple hair products that could be in your bag. We have the Way Detox Shampoo. The full size is 10 ounces and that does retail for $30. Obviously this will be a deluxe sample, and this does have apple cider vinegar and keratin in it. Briogeo Hair Care Curl and Charisma Leave-In Defining Cream. I have never tried this one. I have tried other things from Briogeo and I really do like the brand. This does retail, the full size is 6 ounces and it retails for $20. I could not find a mini in this one available to purchase, and it does say it is made for curly hair. There is a couple skincare spoilers. Now I will say that since I've been looking at the spoilers, there is always things in my bag that hasn't been on the spoilers, so this doesn't entail everything. But Murad, they a lot of times have been included in bags if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy yet. This is the Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. It does retail, the full size is 1.7 ounce for $82, and again I could not find a mini in this one. It says that it is a gentle time release retinol. Matcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I would be okay. Actually I should be saying, let's see, the hair stuff, I'm hoping that I don't get the detox shampoo because I already have the full size. And the Briogeo Hair Care, I don't have naturally curly hair. When I've worn my hair curly before, it is either curled or a wig. And Murad, I do have quite a bit of Murad, but they are made in the US, so I'm always happy to try more. Tatcha, I'm happy to get it in my bags or any subscription box because I hear great things about it. But things that I've tried so far are just like, So I'm not going to spend my money purchasing anything since the things that I've tried are just okay for me. But I do want to keep trying things. So I would be happy if I got this one. So again, this is the Dewy Skin Cream. It retails the travel size, which is 0.34 ounces, does retail for $20. It's supposed to help smooth, plump, and protect your skin. Let's move into some of the makeup choices that we could maybe get. So Pacifica Beauty, there is the Glimmer Shimmer Highlight and Blush in Fire Lit and Glimmer Shimmer. And I could not find this exact one. They do have some other duos available, but I couldn't find this one. So their average like bronzer duos do run about $13. This is infused with coconut oil, so it's supposed to blend without streaks and it won't crease or cake. The balm, I have gotten a couple things from the balm in the boxes, and I am always happy to try the balm because I love their names and their packaging, and I just never think about trying it, so I'm always happy when I get those. This is the Let's Bolt highlighter. Probably don't really need another highlighter, but I wouldn't be upset if I got it. And this one in that exact color is not available. I could not find it to purchase. Most of their travel size highlighters retail for $12. We have some mascara options. I am convinced if you get subscription services, you probably never have to buy another mascara, like for real. But I have gotten some great mascaras. The last month or well, not last month, but in September, the Benefit Bag Girl Bang Mascara. I'm really liking this one. They're not cruelty free, kind of a bummer, but anyway. So one of the options is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara in black. I have not tried that. The travel size does retail for $12 at Ulta. It is supposed to volumize and last up to 16 hours. It says that it is made with vitamin B5, sunflower seed wax. It's vegan, and I will pop up some before and afters that they are showing on the website. Batter Boom Volumizing Mascara. I do have one other mascaras, but I haven't opened it yet because I have some other ones that I am working through. So I only like to open them, like have so many open. It does retail the full size for $7.99. It says that it is for ultra fluffy lashes. And it does have castor seed oil in it. So that is supposed to, from what I've heard about castor seed oil, it's supposed to help nourish and actually grow your lashes. I don't know if it's true. I haven't tried it, but that's what I've heard. And they are giving us one body scrub. This is Theory Charcoal Bamboo Detoxing Body Scrub. Never heard of this brand. It does retail the full size for $19.49 on the Walmart site. It says that there is a citrus scent to this. It is supposed to be cooling relief for dry, itchy skin. And then the charcoal detoxes your pores. And the last spoiler that we have is a fragrance. Now this, I would be happy to get this. This is a Skylar Fall Cashmere Fragrance, it says. And the roller ball, so I don't know what size this will be, but a roller ball, which is 0.33 ounce, does retail for $29 on their site. The fragrance is 1.7, and that retails for $85. And their candle is 8 ounces, and that has a retail of $45. It says that the notes are toasted almond, caramelized vanilla, and ginger. I'm not exactly sure how the ginger would smell with that, but the other two, that sounds right up my alley. I like spicy, musky scents in the fall especially, so I'd be excited to try that one. If you are like hearing about spoilers, please give me a thumbs up down below so that I know that you are enjoying. Now let's move on to the Glam Bag Plus, and this does have a price increase as well, unfortunately. It was $25, but it will now be, starting in October, $28, and that is for 5 full-size products. When customizations open, you get to choose 3 of the 5 products. Okay, so the first makeup product I would like to receive. This is About Face, and this is a Summer Light Lock Lip Gloss. So I did get in About Face the liquid eyeshadow in a previous box that I really like, and I do like lip glosses. So yeah, I'd be happy to receive this one. It does retail for $20. And it says it is formulated with coconut, lavender, and peppermint oils. The other lip gloss option is Rhina Beauty. I've never heard of that. It is part of their Icon collection, and it does retail for $19. It says it's a tinted creamy pink, and they say that it's supposed to kind of go with any skin tone. It looks more like kind of pink or more nude depending on your skin tone. So I'd be interested to try that one as well. And I told you, you probably don't have to buy mascaras, because here is another mascara options from Il Makiage. And so we did receive, or some of us received, a mascara from that brand a couple boxes ago, I think it was. And I did my thoughts on it, but then afterwards I always wait to see what other people think until I've done my videos. And I was surprised to find that some people, it didn't get the best reviews, but I really like it. It's a different one than this one, but I felt like it was really good. So again, I don't need any more mascaras at this time, but if I did get this one, I would just not open it yet. But judging from that mascara and then in September we got a quad that eyeshadows, and those were super easy to work with. So I'd be okay trying this mascara. It does retail for $25, and the thing that I like about it when I looked on their website is it does come in brown. I'm sure we would get black, but I feel like it's kind of hard to find a brown mascara. Okay, then there are a couple more makeup items. This is My Beauty brand, a brow wax, and I've never heard of this brand, and when I went to their website, I could not find it available anymore. It says if you love the look of laminated brows and want a less permanent alternative, then this is for you. Okay, so this is the Tarte Sugar Rush Collection, Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner in black. And I have only tried one thing from Tarte, the Sugar Rush Collection, which was a lip gloss that I absolutely love. I probably don't need another eyeliner. What I've been doing a lot lately is wetting the brush and going into a shadow, but I'd be okay with trying this one if I got it. And the last spoiler that we have is a fragrance, and Tokyo Milk French Kiss perfume. I just like the name of it. French Kiss. Makes me think of Paris. And the French Kiss movie, wasn't that what it was called? I think with Meg Ryan, right? Anyway, so this one I could not find available anymore. It says the notes are mandarin, tuberose, gardenia. I'm not sure what vetiver is. So I'm not exactly sure. Like, sometimes when I read scents, I can like kind of figure out how they would smell. This one, I can't really kind of put my head around how that would smell. It says that it is a clean, fresh, and feminine while having an air of decadence that will stay with you all day long. What do you think? Are you excited? Are you just, Do you get Ipsy? Give me all your thoughts. I think that this, I feel like it's hard because, like I said, they don't, like FabFitFun always gives all the spoilers, and I've noticed that Ipsy does not, which I kind of like because then there's some surprise element. But I've been getting it for over a year now, and more times than not, I am happy with it. There is a lot of skincare, but I like skincare. If you are unhappy, if you are a member and you're unhappy, I would say make sure that your profile is updated. Just, so that you're saying like if you want more makeup or skincare, that kind of thing. I hope that this gave you some insight into October Ipsy. And yeah, I cannot believe we're talking about October already. How about this for a question? Do you have a favorite costume that you have dressed up as, or that you would just like to dress up as? I think my favorite costume, I'd have to really think about it, but what comes to mind is I always loved, like, whenever I dressed up as a Southern Belle or anything, with a big poofy dress. Sometimes I think in my past life I was a Southern Belle. Okay, this is kind of an embarrassing story, but if you made it till the end, you get to know the story. So when I was little, this had to be pre-third grade, somewhere between kindergarten and third grade. And I remember my mom was like, what do you want to, be for Halloween? And I said a rich lady. Like, what? And I remember, I probably didn't even match, but like my sister had a pink hat, and so I wore that, and then my mom had this like shimmery silver blouse that obviously had to be too big for me or something. I don't even know, like, how did I wear that? But I feel like I wore the blouse. I don't remember what I had on bottoms, but then I had like a faux fur wrap of my mom's, and my sister she's 7 years older than me, and she would go with me, and she said how like I go up to the doors like so proud and so happy, and you know, they'd be like, oh, what are you dressed as? Because hello, like, what is that? And I'd be like, a rich lady, just so happy and so proud. Kind of weird, but hey. Anyway, so that's a funny story. Thank you if you made it till the end and you get to hear the funny story. Okay, so I think that's a wrap. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to know what you think about Ipsy or Halloween costumes, because I like Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, I hope that you will consider subscribing and come on back and see me. Have a good morning, afternoon, evening, and I hope to see you again. Bye.